Hi guys, Sagar here. Hope you understood the previous one. Today we have the 8th question of exercise 12.1. So it says, a boat has to cross a river. It crosses the river by making an angle of 60 degrees with the bank of the river. Now due to the stream of the river and travels a distance of 600 meters to reach the other side of the river. What is the width of the river? So let's assume that these are the banks of the river, and now the man has to cross from point A to point B. He has to cross this way, but due to the water stream, he drifts apart and reaches this point C, which is 600 meters. He travels 600 meters, and that is to with 60 degrees with the bank. So he's telling us to find the length of AB. That's it. Simple question. They gave a right angle triangle. They gave the length of hypotenuse, and they are asking the length of AB. So since this angle is 60 degrees, and if we add these both angles, we would get 90 degrees. Therefore, this angle is 30 degrees. Fine. So we have a 30 degrees angle. We have 600 meters as hypotenuse, and we have to find the length of adjacent side. So we have cos 30 is equal to length of adjacent side, which is AB, by hypotenuse, which is AC. Now cos 30 is equal to root 3 by 2, which is equal to AB, which we need to find, and AC is equal to 600. Now if I cross multiply both, I will get 2 times AB is equal to 600 into root 3. Now if I bring this 2 to right hand side, AB would be equal to 600 root 3 by 2. Therefore 2 in 2 times 300 equal to 600. Therefore AB length is equal to 300 root 3 meters. Since they gave 600 meters, our answers units also will be in meters. That's it. So if a boat has to cross a river, it crosses the river by making a 60 degrees with the bank of the river due to stream of river, and travels 60 meters to reach the other side of the river. Then the width of the river equal to 300 root 3 meters. Thank you. See you in the next one. Subscribe. Bye.